Hello guys, today I'll be showing guys how to install and remove packages. Like remove softwares and games from FreeBSD. Okay, so we're gonna be installing Word, which is a brand new software that I never tried before, but I want to have a go at it. And the reason why I'm doing this video is for myself and also for guys if you're wanting to know how to install softwares and how to remove it. So that way I can look over for video that I make and just learn from them again. Like remind myself how to actually do all this. So I'm gonna have to. Can I get myself more RAM? If I go to system, then RAM. So I should give it around. Let's give it up to here RAM, and then is there? I think that should be. That's fine. Yeah, we gave itself some more RAM. So I'm hoping that it's gonna run better, faster than before. Okay, so now it's gonna boot up. Yeah, now we can press on to enter, and now what should happen is that now we should be able to boot up, and then once we have booted up to our desktop environment, I will show guys how to install packages and install softwares and how to remove softwares within for FreeBSD software. We should already know how to install it by now, but if we kind of just opened it up and we only wanted to use a text-based OS, or if we forgot how to do it, then this video would be great for you. So once I have booted up to my desktop environment, actually I never knew how to actually remove packages before this, but I now know how to do it, and it's quite easy. Just wait for it to load, just click onto it, and then press with the right control for me to escape. But right now it should be loading to my desktop environment in a minute. It shouldn't take that long to install, not install, to boot up. I gave it more RAM this time, so hopefully everything will be running much more smoothly. Okay, so guys, you should see the desktop in 3, 2, 1, 0. It may take a while. It should boot up by now. Yeah, we are in. So now put down your username into a desktop login manager. Now put down a password, and then we should be logged in a minute. And then I'll show you guys how to basically open up the terminal, which basically very easy if we've got the desktop environment installed, and it's even more easier if we didn't install desktop environment. I made it a little bit of a lower resolution so that way I get a better performance, but all guys should be fine anyway. So if it is going to load up in a minute, we should just give it some time. Yep, now we are in. Now we need to open up the terminal. Should load up very soon. Okay, so now we're here, right? But we cannot type down some stuff here. We're going to have to go to the root part. And now we're in for root. Okay, so pkg install. Actually, I don't want to install that because I don't know what that quite is at Word. I'm going to install LibreOffice instead because I know what LibreOffice is. So what we need to do is pkg install, and then we'll have to do a y. Pkg install y, and then have to do LibreOffice, and that should work. Yeah, it should install LibreOffice, which I will keep. I will just download something else after this, and I'll have to delete that one. So this is how we can install different types of packages if I wanted to. So right now we're going to install LibreOffice. Yeah, now it's going to take a while, but there's only 54 packages for us to do. So while it's downloading, what I could do is just talk about what is LibreOffice. Well, basically LibreOffice does nothing but just it's basically like Microsoft products like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. But what makes this one as good is that it's available for Linux and available for most platforms actually, not just limited to Linux or something like that. We can install it on any desktop that I want, from Mac OS to like FreeBSD or whatever. So yeah, we can install LibreOffice onto FreeBSD if we wanted to. It shouldn't take that long anyway. And I only have like very limited amount of space on this machine, but it should be done very soon. So yeah, this is basically how to install software. This is by typing down pkg install -y, and then put down what for software that we want to install, such as LibreOffice. And that should be done very shortly because it finished all that, and now it should be done very soon. I know this video is like a very short video, but I just want to show you guys what I have learned recently. Is that all that? So yeah, well guys should see in a minute, once this whole system has installed the LibreOffice suite, then we should be able to do whatever we want now. Okay, store downloading from the network. So guys, basically, this is a mouse pointer obviously, and you can just drag this wherever you want it to go. This is the date. For today is Wednesday the 15th of September. I've got work tomorrow at the pub, but that's fine. Yes, that's basically how to install softwares for the Linux for FreeBSD system. Should be done very soon. Quite fast right now. But yeah, LibreOffice should be installed very shortly. But I do use LibreOffice on my main machine though, mostly. As you guys can see, we can go to applications, and then we can, I think it should be added very soon. We can go here to mousepad, bulk rename, and then we can go to graphics. We can go to internet as well, to Firefox. Okay, so now we have it installed, right? So now what should happen is that we should go to education. We have LibreOffice Maths. We also have, if we go to the LibreOffice store, we got internet, we got Office Suite. So this is everything with Office. We can open up the LibreOffice Writer, and that should open up the text editor within the LibreOffice community. So yeah guys, basically this is like a text editor document thing, and I think this is the up-to-date version of it, so we can do whatever we want in this LibreOffice stuff. We can type in it if we wanted to, we can do whatever we want. It tells you what the tip of the day, we can type. It's a bit slow because I'm running this on a virtual machine, but at least it's running better than yesterday, so increase the RAM. So yeah, I think it's running pretty smoothly. Okay, so now to exit, press on this X and don't save. And now we're going to install another package, just to remind you guys, and we're going to be removing that package. For one that we're going to be removing, it's going to be the Abbey word maybe, or yeah, we can remove the Abbey word. So to install it, do pkg install Abbey word, and now that should install it. Has it installed? No, it hasn't. Did I write it wrong? Hold on, let me do pkg install -y abbi word. Now I should install that. It should be a very quick install, but it's quite a small package actually, so it should be pretty much fast to install. Okay. So it's 100% of it's done now. Okay, so now if you want to open it, go to applications, and then we should see an Office, right? And then I have Abbey word. I never actually tried Abbey word before, it's brand new to me. So yeah, that's basically how to open it. It looks very good, and it looks like it can run on very old hardware in fact. That's actually pretty good though. But yeah, if you don't like Abbey word because you're not a big fan of it, then what the guys could do is close without saving, is pkg delete -y, and then we can do Abbey word, and that should delete Abbey word. So now if I go back, if I go to Office, then it's no longer there, it's disappeared. And yeah, now we can just get rid of GIMP if we wanted to, so we can do pkg. I'm going to show you guys one more time because I don't use GIMP personally. If we do delete, now if we do -y, and then if we do the GIMP, then that should uninstall GIMP. So go to graphic, oh it's still here. I must have wrote it wrong. pkg delete, and then y, and then GIMP to delete it. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that one. Yeah, I would just keep that one installed anyway. But I did show you guys how to uninstall the B thing. Okay, so we have learned how to remove and uninstall softwares with this, didn't we? So yeah, I have to be a super user. Let me show you why. Because if we do pkg install -y abby word, then I can't do it. And that is because we have to be a sudo user, so I have to do cu, and then I have to put down my password, and then we have to redo this command. We can also press on for clear command as well, and that should clear it. We can also exit from here, and then close window. That's it was about actually. So yeah, guys. So that is basically how to install packages and delete packages. Install softwares and uninstall softwares within the FreeBSD. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Now I'm going to shut down this photo machine by going to log out, and then we can go to shutdown, and then that should shut down our photo machine. Stopped DVD. It's going to be stopping in a minute. We were on it for 10 minutes. But yeah, this is AMD 64 is CPU. It's a AMD 64, but there's other install. Anyway, guys, this was like 11-minute short video, but I just hope that you guys found this video a bit useful, as I will do it in the future. But yeah, guys, anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.